Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be making a global fund made of 6 ETFs similar to Vanguard All-World aka VWRL and explaining the potential benefits and drawbacks creating your own global fund. I'll also make a comparison in dividends gain and fund management between the fund I create and VWRL. Additionally, I give my own personal opinion on whether or not it's a good idea by the end of the video, so make sure to stick around. With that being said, let's begin. So to gain exposure to the entire world like VWRL does, I selected these 6 ETFs: S&P 500 Emerging Markets, Develop Europe exclude UK, Develop Asia exclude Japan, Japan ETFs, and FTSE 250. If you watched my previous video, you know that my portfolio is made of these 6 ETFs. If not, here's the video. Let's see how much dividends we can gain. I'll take my portfolio as an example. Let's jump into the numbers. So here are the 6 ETFs. Here is the amount of money that I invested in each of them. Here is the price of one unit at the beginning of 2022. Here is the unit that I bought with the amount of money, the annually price per unit. Here are the dividends in 2022 and here are the dividends in 2021. So here are the dividends in 2022 for each of them. That makes a total of $122 or £99.37. That's not bad. In 2021, $112 or £91. And let's make a comparison with VWRL. The same amount of money, £6,000. Total is $132 or £107. And in 2021, $119 or £96.98. So you can see the difference, $122 and $132. So VWRL got more dividends in 2022 and in 2021. As time goes by and the ETFs in your portfolio start to grow, you may need to readjust your portfolio to maintain the balance, as they may not all grow at the same rate, and you may end up with a different portfolio. As with a fund like VWRL, you don't have to actively manage it. All you have to do is to set a direct debit and let it grow. I realize building your own global fund may have more disadvantages than advantages. Let's start with advantages. You may have more control over how much money you can invest in each sector or country, and maybe you have to pay less in fees. I haven't checked this. As for VWRL, you don't have to actively manage it and get more dividends with the same amount of money invested. So the disadvantages of the global fund that I create includes the need for constant management and adjustment of the portfolio, as well as a high risk of making mistakes due to the increased number of choices that you have to make. As for VWRL, you cannot choose how much you can allocate to each sector or country, but this can be a good thing because the fewer choices you have to take, the fewer mistakes you are likely to do. So my conclusion is, keep it simple. Don't try to make your own global fund, especially if you're a beginner like me. I have to rethink my portfolio and make it as simple as possible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. My name is Michael and see you in the next one. Peace.